So sometimes you don't need only the values, you need subsequent data also. So for example, along with the top 3 marks, you also need the name of students. So in that case, a large function is not getting the names along with, you will have to write multiple functions for this. So what we could have done, we can better use sort function for this. And since you need top values, so if you arrange sort function in descending order, on the top you will be getting uh, the highest values. So I am writing sort function for this. Sort, the array is going to be students data. I am selecting all the columns here, comma. Index number will be, the arrangement should be on the 3rd column. So index number will be 3 and it will be descending order. So -1 argument, bracket close. And what we get is the descending order of this. But we needed some top 5 or top 3 values only. So what we are going to do, this sort function can be combined with function take. So take is a function which will help you draw some particular number of rows from a large amount of data. So I am using take, argument is the sort function, comma, how many rows you want from the result. So right now I'm writing 5, so that means top 5 rows will be returned. Bracket close for take, and we press enter. So here we get the top 5 values. So in case not only the marks, but you need other values also along with the result, then in that case, sort function can be combined with the take function to draw those many rows. So we can do the same thing for the bottom data also. The only difference will be this time the sorting will be arranged on ascending order. So let's try it once. This time I know I need bottom 5 rows. So we can use take function straight away. So I'm writing take. What we need is the sorted data. So sort function, array is the students data. So I'm selecting that. Index number is 3, 3rd column is the marks. So I'm using index number 3. And this time it will be ascending order. So 1. And then close bracket for sort. Then comma, how many rows we need? Let's say if I need 5 rows. So I have given 5 rows in the take, and then bracket close for take and enter. So what we got this time are the bottom values along with their subsequent column data. Hope this video is helpful to you. See you in the next one.